gentlemen, I want you to repeat after me just how I do it. Ready? Your turn. Very good. Ladies. Good golly. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Mr. Charlie Puth.
第一次，也是最后一次和你说，你牛皮。
Gentlemen, that was very good. We're gonna do the whole thing one more time. Follow my step.